Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add a poll on your Facebook story.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
When you add a poll to your story on Facebook, you can ask a question, customize the answers, and let people vote for their favorite option. To begin, open the Facebook application. Now tap on Add to Story from the home screen of the Facebook app. You can select the story type from the top. You can take a new photo or video by tapping the camera icon, or you can select a photo or video from your gallery. Select any of this. Now tap on the sticker option from the top right corner. From different stickers, find Poll. Tap on it. Type the question you want to ask your friends. You can tap yes or no to customize the answers. After that, tap on Done from the top right corner. You can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And finally, tap on Share to Story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. When you share your poll, people can respond by tapping an option you have provided. This is another account. Tap on the story. Select an answer. When someone selects an answer, they can see the current results of the poll. Now go back to first account. When you view your story and swipe up, you can see how many votes each option received, and how each person voted. So in this way, you can add a poll on your Facebook story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.